Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I am so glad you could join me. Today I am going to be doing a No Make No Life unboxing. This is for the month of August. So I feel like the last month, so like all of July and some of August, everything I've posted I feel like has been a No Make No Life, and that's only because the first 2 months that I subscribed to them, they had some severe shipping delays, so I just kind of started receiving them, in July. So moving forward, they will only be once a month, but I do have August's box here, which I am super excited to take a look and see what I received. Starting back in July, they started offering DHL shipping. So basically you would spend another $10.95 a month and you would get DHL shipping, which that comes within like 3 to 5 or 7 days, versus for like my May and June box I had to wait like 1 to 2 months. So I am super excited to get started. I'll go ahead and open this box and we'll see what we received. Alright, so August theme is Summer in Seoul. And this is the cover artwork. Super cute. I always love their artwork. It is super adorable. And then, as always, we're going to start with the monthly horoscope. So, monthly horoscope is which Korean idols share your star sign? So, I am a Virgo, and my Korean idol is Mark from GOT7. I'm horrible at any of these band names, but GOT7, and then RM and Jungkook. I'm so sorry if I mispronounce these, from BTS, and Joy from Red Velvet. So here is the little pamphlet on the monthly Korean idols. Alright, so let's get back into this box with the actual items, and judging by what I see, I can already tell there's some really cute items in here. We are going to start off with this metallic eyeliner, and it looks like it is in like a nice blue shade, which is fun. Let's see what it says here. Crayon Touch Me Metallic Eyeliner. This is from Japan. This metallic eyeliner makes your eyes shine bright like a diamond. This glossy shimmer eyeliner can be used on your eyelid or in the inner corner of your eyes to create the popular Korean eye bags look. I don't think I've seen that. I'll have to look that up. In this box comes one eyeliner in garnet, sapphire, emerald, or champagne pink, and I must have received sapphire. Super cute, so looking forward to testing that out. The next item I have here is Color Finish Powder. Crayon Touch Me is the brand again. Oh, there it is. Okay, here's what the packaging looks like. It says Crayon Touch Me Color Finish Powder, also from Japan. It ain't summer without some shimmer. In Korea, okay, I thought for a second I was listing the wrong countries, but it's Japan. In Korea, girls prefer a dewy or shimmery finish for their base makeup instead of a completely matte look. This pearly color finish powder will make your complexion look more lively. Apply it to the parts of your face such as your cheekbones to make them pop. In August box comes one powder glow white in fair beige. So that's what I got here. Sorry if I keep looking down at my monitor. There is like a major lag between the camera and my live view, so I keep looking to make sure things are actually working right. Alright, the next one we have is a super cute little palette. Again, this is by Crayon Touch Me. Here is what the palette looks like. So this is again from Japan. Pick your favorite color, mix them, or create a trendy Korean ombre lip with this fruity lip palette. In August box comes one lip palette in strawberry, cherry, peach, or mandarin. I wonder, oh, I must have peach. I don't know if they know that I love peach scented things, but everything I get from here, from this subscription box, has been like peach scented. I'm gonna open this real quick. I guess this isn't actually scented. I guess it's peach in color. Like the color story is peach. Let me just touch it, make sure. Yeah, I'm not really smelling anything, so never mind, it's not peach scented, but it is super cute. This cute little trio is adorable. Maybe it is scented. It's really hard to tell. Alright, next up we have, this is adorable. We have a Pikachu and Pichu Pokemon Cool Body Gel. And that's what this looks like. This is super cute. So this is the Lvly Pokemon Cooling Gel. This is from Japan. It says, yes, Pokemon is making an appearance in August box. This limited edition packaging has strong summer vibes and features some of the cutest Pokemon, Pikachu and Pichu, or Jigglypuff and Igglybuff. This grapefruit scented gel includes the cooling ingredients herb Robert and wild thyme, and was especially made for cooling down skin that was sunburned to relieve pain and or redness. It's also free parabens, alcohol, and mineral oils, all natural. This is super cute. I haven't gotten a sunburn in a while. I think the last time I got a sunburn was in Thailand, which was completely my fault. Even though I put on sunscreen, it was way strong. But yeah, I haven't had a sunburn since then, but I could see this, like, even not just like on a hot day, like using this would probably feel really nice. So very cool. I like that. All right, next up I've got the Misha. What is this, an eyeshadow maybe? Misha Glitter Prism Eyeshadow. This is beautiful. This is really pretty. That is what this looks like. It has like multi-colors on it. This is from Korea. Complete your summer look with this pressed glitter eyeshadow by popular Korean brand Misha. Even though the glitter in this eyeshadow looks chunky, it applies smoothly with minimum fallout. In August box comes one of these new summer edition eyeshadows in number 11 Sunny Prism, number 12 Red Beam Prism, or number 18 Picnic Prism. What did I get? I got Glitter Prism. That wasn't an option. I'm not sure which one I got. Either way, super cute. I'm gonna actually do a quick little color swatch on here just to see. It's super pretty. That is what that looks like. It's a little pinky. I don't use a lot of pinks in my eyeshadow, but the shimmer is really pretty. Oh, speaking of shadow, this look I am absolutely in love with. I love the way it turned out. This is actually all ColourPop. So I originally was going to do a video of first impressions doing a full face of ColourPop, and I think I'll still create that video and maybe try to recreate this look, but I ended up trying to do my first TikTok video. I have been obsessed with TikTok for a while now. It started as like a random download of, let's see what all like the ruckus is about and why everyone's like downloading it and all these fun videos, and then I quickly became completely addicted. So I finally decided, I have made some like travel ones that are really pretty, but I finally decided to try some like a makeup one, and oh my gosh, I completely messed it up. And at that point I had already put on like some of the steps, some of the makeup, and I didn't want to have to reshoot everything. So what should have been one video of me doing my makeup and doing these cool transitions ended up being 2 videos. But if you're interested, I will link my TikTok down below and you can go take a look at how I created this look. Again, it's not like super detailed. I didn't go into like what shadows I used other than like this is the palette I used, but love it. I really love it. So I will probably do a video in the future doing the full face. I used the Pretty Fresh hydrating hyaluronic primer, the Pretty Fresh hyaluronic foundation, and the Pretty Fresh hyaluronic setting spray, and I'm really impressed with how it turned out. Normally I like a matte finish, and I don't think it's like super shiny. I think it has like a nice healthy glow to it, so I'm impressed. I will absolutely be using that more often, and I do think the color match, everything was like right on, so I'm pretty impressed. Like I said, I will probably do a video for you guys in the future using the ColourPop stuff. Moving on to the box, I kind of got a little sidetracked there, but I kind of got a glimpse of my eyeshadow in the thing, plus the eyeshadow I just got, which is really pretty. The next one I have is a ice cream mask, It's super cute. I swear everything in here, like all the packaging is so adorable. I cannot get over it. So this is the Feferafi. I don't even know. Feferaf? Ice cream sheet mask. What summer in Seoul without ice cream? And this is Korean. This Korean sheet mask includes the ingredients green tea, strawberry, and vanilla to cool and soothe the skin. For an extra refreshing experience, cool the mask in the fridge before applying and let it sit for 15-20 minutes. I will absolutely be using this. Super cute. I wish I knew how to say the brand, but love it. Alright, we got 2 more items in here. The next item is, again, adorable. I just love the packaging of everything. So this one is the Holika Aloe 99% Soothing Gel. This is, again, a Korean product. Natural, lightweight, and cooling. This Holika Moisturizing Face, Body, and Hair Gel is the product you need this summer. We're stoked to finally include this year's long bestseller in our beauty box. 99% aloe from Jeju Island was used to create this product. It calms irritated and inflamed skin, making it feel refreshed, moisturized, and firm. This product can even be used for your hair, so super cute. Wonder if it has a scent. A very light scent. It's really nice. It's like nice and subtle, a little green. I like it. Alright, last but not least, this thing is adorable. Just absolutely flippin' adorable. This is the Japanese Flower Puff. And this is what it looks like. So adorable. And this is from Japan, obviously, Japanese Flower Puff. We almost got you fooled, didn't we? This Flower Puff doesn't look like something you'd use for makeup at first, but it's so useful and also so cute. This microfiber makeup puff applies powder flawlessly. Give it a try and the color finish powder that comes in August box. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. Here is what it looks like. Just absolutely adorable. It's like velvety soft. I love it. I like don't want to use it actually on powder, but it's super cute and super soft. So again, I would say this box super adorable. I really do like the No Make No Life box. Oh, I've got a little visitor here. Miss Lola wants to say hello. Oh my goodness. I'm filming another video. I know. You smelling things? You want to say hello? Look over there. Oh. She's like, I'm more interested in what you got on this table and what you got in your face. Oh, you so cute. I just love you so much. Yes, I do. You're my good girl. Apparently, we're just going to finish off the video with Lola in my lap because she just wants some cuddles. So, like I was saying, I really do like No Make No Life. I don't know that it's a box that I will continue subscribing to for much longer. I just feel like their stuff is absolutely adorable. I really do love it. I just don't know that I already have like other subscription boxes going, and I don't know if you guys like these videos, like the No Make No Life box, because they, like I said, they aren't as okay. They aren't as well known. So we'll see. I'm at least gonna keep going probably till the end of the year, but we'll see after the start of next year where my priorities lay with my subscription boxes. I also feel like my videos have been really subscription box heavy, and they're gonna get heavier because I just signed up for Ipsy. So I'm just kind of like, oh, I don't want you guys to just have a subscription unboxings, unless that's, you know, you want that to be a thing. I can make that a thing. Okay, stop. So we'll see. Hey, I'm still videoing. I'm still recording. You can't give me kisses yet. No, not yet. Excuse me, miss. Ma'am. Ma'am. I know what she wants to do. She wants to go sit outside. So she's like, can you please stop so we can go sit outside? Anyway, I really hope you guys liked today's video. If you did like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I post new videos every Monday Monday. Where did that come? I don't think I've ever posted on a Monday. I post new makeup related videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and then on Fridays I have my Freaky Friday scary story videos. So go ahead and, like I said, hit that subscribe button. What do you think? Should we go sit outside? You want to go sit outside? Do you want to go sit outside? Alright guys, I will catch you next time. Bye!